You guys already know I'm all about that hustle, right? Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, the grind never stops. It's all about putting in the work day in and day out to build something meaningful. And for freelancers, that hustle starts with landing those clients. It's not just about having the skills, it's about making connections, building relationships, and showing potential clients why you're the best fit for their needs. That's where Cheaprank comes in. It's a platform bursting with opportunities, but you've got to know how to stand out from the crowd. With so many talented freelancers out there, you need to make sure your profile shines and catches the eye of potential clients. Look, I'm going to be straight with you. Client acquisition is the name of the game in the freelance world. Without clients, you don't have a business. It's as simple as that. So how do you get those clients knocking on your door? You can be the best damn insert your skill out there, but if nobody knows about you, it doesn't matter. You need visibility, and you need to market yourself effectively. This means having a killer portfolio, engaging in networking, and leveraging social media to your advantage. So buckle up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. We're talking about strategies that will not only get you noticed, but will also help you build lasting relationships with your clients. It's all about creating value and showing your clients that you're the real deal. We're talking actionable hacks, the kind that'll have you swimming in client inquiries faster than you can say Gary V. From optimizing your Cheaprank profile to mastering the art of the pitch, I've got you covered. Let's go. First, let's talk about your profile. Your Cheaprank profile is your digital storefront. It's the first thing potential clients see, so make it count. Use a professional photo, write a compelling bio, and showcase your best work. Highlight your skills and experience, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Next, let's dive into pitching. A generic pitch won't cut it. You need to tailor each proposal to the client's specific needs. Show them that you've done your homework and understand their project. Be clear about how you can add value and why you're the best person for the job. And don't forget to follow up. Finally, always be learning. The freelance world is constantly evolving, and you need to stay ahead of the curve. Invest in your skills, stay updated with industry trends, and never stop improving. The more you grow, the more value you can offer to your clients. So get out there and start hustling. First things first, your profile is your storefront, your digital handshake. It's the first thing potential clients see, and it sets the tone for all future interactions. Think of it as your personal brand ambassador, working tirelessly to represent you in the best light possible. You got to make it pop. Your profile needs to stand out in a sea of freelancers. A compelling profile can be the difference between landing a gig and being overlooked. It's not just about listing your skills, it's about showcasing your personality and professionalism. Ditch that blurry selfie and get yourself a professional-looking headshot. A clear, high-quality photo can make a huge difference. It shows that you take your work seriously and that you're approachable and trustworthy. Remember, first impressions matter, and your photo is a big part of that. You don't need to hire a fancy photographer, just something clean and approachable. Next up, your bio. Your bio is your chance to tell your story. It's where you can share your journey, your passions, and what drives you. It's not just about what you do, but why you do it. This ain't the time to be humble, but don't go overboard with the bragging either. Strike a balance, highlight your achievements and experiences, but keep it relatable. Potential clients want to know that you're skilled, but also that you're someone they can work with. Keep it concise, engaging, and highlight what makes you unique. Think about what sets you apart from others in your field. Maybe it's a unique skill, a particular approach, or a specific experience. Whatever it is, make sure it shines through in your bio. Don't forget to list your skills. Your skills are the core of your profile. They tell potential clients what you can do and how you can help them. Be thorough and specific. Be specific instead of just writing. Break it down. SEO copywriting, website content, email marketing. You get the idea. The more detailed you are, the easier it is for clients to understand what you offer and how you can meet their needs. Finally, showcase your best work. Your portfolio is your chance to shine. It's where you can show potential clients what you're capable of. Include a variety of projects that highlight your range and expertise. Choose projects that demonstrate your skills and the value you bring to the table. Make sure your portfolio is up to date and reflects your best work. Remember, your profile is a living document. Keep it fresh and relevant to attract the best opportunities. Now, let's talk about your gig listings, those little money makers. First up, keywords, people. Keywords are the backbone of your gig listing. They help potential clients find you in a sea of freelancers. Think about what your ideal client might type into the search bar. Use specific terms that describe your services accurately. For example, if you're a graphic designer, don't just use design. Use logo design, brand identity, or social media graphics. The more precise you are, the better your chances of being discovered. Use words that potential clients are actually searching for. This means doing a bit of research. Look at what successful freelancers in your niche are using. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or even the search bar on freelancing platforms can give you insights into popular search terms. Don't just guess, be strategic. Your gig description needs to be crystal clear. Think of it as your elevator pitch. You have a few seconds to grab someone's attention, so make it count. Start with a strong opening that highlights what makes you unique. Then break down your services into easy-to-read bullet points. Use simple language and avoid jargon. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for potential clients to understand what you offer. What exactly are you offering? Be specific. If you offer multiple services, list them all. For example, if you're a writer, mention that you can write blog posts, articles, and social media content. The more detailed you are, the better. Clients want to know exactly what they're getting. What will the client receive? Outline the deliverables clearly. Will they get a PDF, a Word document, or a JPEG file? How many revisions are included? Setting these expectations up front can prevent misunderstandings later on. It also shows that you're professional and organized. Don't be afraid to get detailed. The more information you provide, the more confident a client will feel about hiring you. Explain your process from start to finish. How do you gather information? What tools do you use? How long will each stage take? This transparency builds trust and sets you apart from the competition. FAQs are your secret weapon. Think about the questions clients frequently ask and answer them in your gig listing. This not only saves you time, but also shows that you understand your client's needs. Common questions might include turnaround time, revision policy, and communication methods. Anticipate client questions and answer them up front. This proactive approach can make a huge difference. It shows that you're experienced and that you've thought through the entire process. Clients appreciate this level of detail, and it can set you apart from other freelancers. This saves everyone time and shows you're proactive. When clients see that you've already addressed their concerns, they're more likely to trust you and move forward with the project. It also reduces the back and forth communication, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. And for God's sake, make sure your pricing is on point. Pricing can make or break a deal. Too high and you might scare clients away. Too low and you might undervalue your work. Do some market research to find out what others in your field are charging. Consider your experience, the quality of your work, and the value you bring to the table. Research what others are charging and find a sweet spot that's competitive but also reflects your worth. Don't be afraid to adjust your prices as you gain more experience and build your portfolio. Remember, your goal is to attract clients who value your work and are willing to pay for it. So take the time to get your gig listings right. It's an investment that can pay off big time. Listen up, because this is huge. Reviews and testimonials are gold. Don't be shy about asking satisfied clients for a review. Once you've got some glowing feedback, sprinkle it throughout your profile and gig descriptions. Social proof builds trust and credibility. Think about it. Would you rather buy from someone with 0 reviews or someone with a bunch of 5-star ratings? Exactly. Chapter 4. Be responsive, be present. In the fast-paced world of freelancing, responsiveness is key. Clients want to know you're on top of things. Download the Cheaprank mobile app and stay glued to it. Respond to messages promptly and professionally. And remember, a little personality goes a long way. Be friendly, be approachable, but always maintain a professional demeanor. Chapter 5. Pricing strategies for success. Pricing can be tricky, but here's the thing. You don't have to undervalue yourself to get started. Offer competitive rates, but don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Consider offering different packages or add-ons. This gives clients flexibility and allows you to upsell your services. As you gain experience and build a reputation, gradually increase your rates. You're in this for the long haul, remember? Chapter 6. Get social, promote yourself. Cheaprank is awesome, but don't limit yourself. Promote your gigs on other platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Join freelancing groups and communities. Network with other professionals, share your expertise, and get your name out there. And don't forget about hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts and attract a wider audience. Chapter 7. Mastering Cheaprank's tools. Cheaprank has a ton of built-in tools to help you find clients. Use filters to narrow down your search and target specific projects. Explore different categories and subcategories to identify opportunities that align with your skills. Pay attention to the analytics. Track your gig views, clicks, and conversions to see what's working and what's not. Chapter 8. Building relationships that last. Listen, one-off gigs are cool, but repeat clients are where it's at. Over-deliver on every project and exceed client expectations. Consider offering exclusive discounts or bonuses to returning clients. Show them you appreciate their business, and don't be afraid to check in regularly. See how they're doing, ask if they have any new projects, and nurture those relationships. Outro. Now go crush it. There you have it, my friends. Actionable hacks to take your Cheaprank game to the next level. Now it's time to put in the work. Go update your profile, optimize those gig listings, and start building those client relationships. And hey, let me know in the comments how these tips work for you. I want to hear your success stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more freelancing tips, marketing strategies, and all-around hustle advice. We're in this together. Let's go.